All, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to look into another stock which is given us a return of 60% for 1 year. And as I told you all, after the bank series I am making the next series of stock. There is no particular order, but this after the DMart one, this is the next stock. So let's get in and see which stock it is which is given us a return of 60% for 1 year. So let's get started. Okay, so it is none other than Aarti Industries. So this particular company was founded in 1975, and its revenue is 30,527 million. The industry is so what does Aarti Industries do? This company basically deals with basic chemicals, specialty chemicals, agrochemicals and pharmaceuticals. So and the headquarters is in Mumbai. So net profit of this particular stock, which is Aarti Industries, is the March 2018 quarter. It had a profit of 84.7 crores, whereas in June 2018 the net profit has gone high up to 89.28 crores. And the sales, as the net profit has increased, so the sales would have increased, so only the net profit has increased. So for the sales in March, it was March 2018 was 1029 crores, whereas in June it has gone to 1078 crores. So now let's look into the stock details of this particular stock. So the NSE code is AARTIIND, so that's Aarti Ind. BSE code is 524208. The PE is 33.19 and the industry PE is 26.53. So you all can see here the the company has performed very good, so it has gone over the industry PE. So you'll have to wait for the chance to invest. So the 52-week low is 821 and the high is 1445 rupees. The face value of this stock is 5 rupees and the trailing 12-month earning per share is 42 rupees and the PB is 7. So let's look into the shareholdings of Aarti Industries Limited. So the Indian promoters are 52% and the DII, that is domestic institutional investors, are 14%. The FII, that is foreign institutional investors, are 3% and others are 28%. So we'll see how many funds hold this particular stock. So totally 28 fund has invested in this particular stock, so amounting to 1352 crores. That is these 28 funds have invested an amount of 1352 crores, in which HDFC Midcap Opportunities Growth Fund has invested the maximum amount, that is 510 crores. Even though this HDFC Midcap Fund has invested more amount, but DSP BlackRock Small Cap Regular Growth Fund holds the maximum weightage, that is 3.46%. So I've given the top 5 funds which is holding the stocks, and this first one is HDFC Midcap Opportunities Fund, which is invested 510 crores. HDFC Hybrid Equity Growth Fund has invested 277 crores. DSP BlackRock Small Cap Fund has invested 185 crores. L&T Emerging Business Regular Growth Fund has invested 95 crores. And lastly, L&T India Value Regular Growth Fund has invested 74 crores. So let's see the returns given by this stock for the past few years when invested in this particular stock. So for 1 year it is given us a return of 60.58%, and for 3 years it is given as 48.57%. For 5 years it is given as 82.15%, and for 10 years it is given as a return of 40%. So here you all can see how much this particular stock has grown for the past 5 years. So taking from August 23rd 2013 till August 17 2018, the fund has grown to 1909%, so almost 2000%. So if at all we had invested this 5 years ago, we would have got a return of 2000% in this by investing in this particular stock. So here we'll look into the small calculation. So if at all we had invested in this particular fund 5 years ago, that is I've taken invested date as August 16 2013, the investment amount as 10,000 rupees. So at that time the price of one share of Aarti Industries was 69 rupees, and so when looking at the current share price, it is 1400 rupees as of August 17 2018. So if at all we had invested this 10,000 rupees 5 years ago, we will be getting 2,02,898 rupees. So just by investing 10,000 5 years ago, we've got a return of 2 lakh rupees. So 10,000 is a small amount. Think you already invested 1 lakh or 2 lakh, and think how much it would have grown and how much amount we would have got now. So the same 5 years, the same 10,000, if we had invested in fixed deposit, we will be getting an amount of 14,216. So you all can see the amount difference here, how much difference it is. So if FD we get only a return of 14,000, whereas in investing in this particular stock we had got 2,02,898 rupees. So I would just ask you all to think and start investing. It is a bit risky, but at the end when we are yielding it, we will yield something which we can't expect itself. So happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.